guys, welcome to my living room. Today I am doing a Christmas tour. I'm so not doing a Christmas tour. Can I please get this out? If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe now. I would love for you to be a part of the Almond Summers family. Hit the notification bell right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. This year for Christmas, my colors are ivory, white, and gold. It was really hard for me this year to actually figure out which colors I wanted. I was like, should I go with pink or should I go with, burgundy? I don't know. I didn't go with pink because I did pink last year. And if you haven't seen my Christmas video from last year, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description area underneath the video. And most of you guys are actually watching me on a cell phone. So it will actually be a drop down arrow underneath the video. So like if you click the drop down arrow under the video, it will actually open up on your phones and you'll actually see the link right there. I went to Michael's, I went to BigLots, I went to Homegoods. Who is not gonna go to Homegoods, right? Okay, and I went to Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby, you guys, Hobby Lobby, oh my gosh. Do you know, this was my first time ever going to Hobby Lobby. My first time. My mom would tell me, oh, you need to go to Hobby Lobby. I'm like, sounds like an old fabric store or something like that. Hobby Lobby, I was like, nah. So I never looked it up. I looked it up because I looked it up on Google, and I was like, recently, and I was like, let me just go check it out. Let's see what they got, So it was far. It wasn't in my area at all. We don't have any in the area. So I drove, and I'm just like, okay, I get there, and Lord, let me tell you, I get there and it is like heaven. I swear to you, it was like the doors open. It was like, oh. I got there in the daylight and I didn't leave until it was night. I was there for 5 hours, you guys. How embarrassing is that? 5 hours. And it gets worse. It gets worse. I was there for 5 hours, and not only was I there for 5 hours, but I had 2 shopping carts. 2. Like I literally had to have someone else help me with the other shopping cart. It was so embarrassing. It was really embarrassing, but I just couldn't help it. It was so much good stuff in there, and you would be like, what were you doing in Hobby Lobby for 5 hours? Well, I'm one of those people that when I shop, I actually go, I want to see everything, and then I have this visualization of like what I can do with that specific product in my house, or can I use that in this area, that area. So I had to think it all through, and because it was my first time, I think that's why I spent 5 hours. But I don't think that I would end up spending 5 hours in the store on just going back a second time, because now I know what was there. But it was definitely a store where I just felt like, oh my gosh, there's the seas just parted, and I was like, ah. And I was like thinking of my kitchen, thinking of my dining room, thinking of my bedroom, the bathrooms. I was like, I could totally do so much with this stuff that like, I got lost. I got lost in there. So let's get started. First up, we're gonna go with BigLots. BigLots is one of those places that I think they just came on the map. I mean, I knew they were a store that was here, but I never really visited BigLots until last Christmas. So my entire Christmas, I think, was spent at BigLots. I was just like fascinated by a store that sells bread, can also sell a Christmas decor item or Christmas ornament. It was just really weird. I purchased these cute little LED light candles. This one has snowflakes on it, and then this one has the word believe on it, and they also light up. This one has more of a yellowy hue, and this one has a white hue, but I just really think these are super duper festive for the holiday, and I can't wait to use them. I can't wait. So I lit them, and they run with 2 AA batteries, and they're also good in case of an emergency, so I kind of need these, but I like these very much. So I'm definitely going to be putting these in different areas, especially because we can go out by the pool and use these, or, by the bar when you don't want to use electricity. So it's actually kind of a cool, I like these. These are yes. I got this fur ribbon. I think everyone has this by now. They sold out last year when I really wanted it. It's this fur snow ribbon. It's like fake faux fur, which it comes in a roll like this. I bought several rolls because I was thinking of either doing a wreath with this or actually using it on my tree. Look at that. or using it on my tree, my Christmas tree, for snow in place of the boa. So last year I told you guys to use the feather boa, not the feather boa, it's actually just a boa. There's the ostrich boa, I think that's what it is, because the other boa is too big. It's got bird feathers, it looks weird. They both have bird feathers, but the one with the bigger feathers is not the one to get for snow, because that one looks kind of weird on the tree to me, in my opinion. It looks like a bird feather on a tree. It looks kind of weird to me, so I wasn't recommending that one. It's another feather. It's the ostrich feather boa is the one that I was recommending that looks like snow. So people were asking me and sending me a lot of questions about that, and I know a lot of people purchased that one. But this year I decided not to go with boas on my tree, because one of my subscribers actually pointed out how painful and brutal it is to get boas made, the way they harvest the boas. So I decided that I wasn't going to use boas on my tree this year, because after I saw the footage, it just kind of freaked me out and made me feel really sad. So anyway, I'm using this year as my snow. This is gonna be cute. I'm gonna tuck this in a tree, so stick around. You'll see me decorate my tree in another video, and I'll show you how I'm gonna use this, because this is cheaper than the boas. And did I say cheaper? It's cheaper and cheaper. That right there. And then I'll show you how we can make this work and look just as good as the boas. Okay, next up from Big Lots, you guys, are these Baby It's Cold Outside towels. And this one is kind of busy. It's kind of festive. It's gold, and it just says Baby It's Cold Outside. This was $7, and for two, which you can always use some Christmas towels. I don't have any Christmas towels at all, so starting with these Baby It's Cold Outside towels. Don't mind my nails, you guys. I did not do them. You know why I have no nails, you guys, is because I built this fireplace right here. And it takes everything out of you. It really does. It takes every single fingernail. And actually, okay, I'm getting way off on this. Let's just get back to this haul. I also picked up this. This makes me excited. It's a fir pine smell. So like you can get the smell of Christmas in your house. And if you have like a faux tree or a fake tree, you can get the smell of Christmas in your house with these. It's like little wood chips. You open them up, and then it's like potpourri, but it's like it's like wood chips from the pine. So it's like wood chips, and you open it up. I didn't open it yet because I don't want to smell Christmas just yet, but oh, I smell it. You can smell it through the bag. So anyway, and it comes with this snowflake glass bowl. Super cute, you guys. This was like $6, I think. Really, really amazing, and you can use it year after year or whatever. I don't know if you can use it year after year, but I'm definitely going to try get my money's worth out of it. But it's a nice little bowl, you know what I mean? It's a really nice little bowl for the money, and the smell is just Sometimes you just can't capture the smell of Christmas, and you know, you just can't, especially in LA. We don't have that. It doesn't get that cold, and it's just the little things that really make Christmas Christmas. And smelling the pine, it just smells so good. So, and I kind of miss that. So this was one of those purchases as well, and I got that from Lowe's. Next up on the list, how am I doing so far, you guys? I know I'm talking you to death. Next up on the list is Etsy. I shopped at Etsy. In fact, every year, you guys, I've been a business owner for a long time. I believe in supporting small businesses, or any business that, you know, you see them coming up and they have something that, you know, catches your eye. You should definitely try to help out small businesses, because they're the feet to the legs. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. You got to help out small businesses. That being said, I helped out this lady on Etsy. She makes these pillow covers, which is something that I really thought was so super duper cute. And it says, "'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house a creature was stirring, not even a mouse." Anyway, I got this. It's so cute. Isn't it cute, you guys? And it looks like it's really good quality too. So purchased this on Etsy. Super cute, super duper cute. It was kind of pricey though. You know, the thing about Etsy that I don't really like is after you know, give your 2 cents, you give your coins to the vendor, you have to pay like the shipping, and you have to pay everything else. And by the time you get this pillowcase, it's like $500,000, in my opinion. That's the only thing I don't like. You're going to take a trip to Michael's now. And Michael's, I purchased a lot of cool things. I got these Christmas ornaments. See these? This is one. I got this from Michael's. I don't know, it just reminds me of those fancy hotels and that would have those beautiful big trees, you know, and then you walk in there and then you walk by like, ooh, who decorated that? You know what I mean? This kind of reminds me of that. So, yep, I'm gonna hang this on my tree. And then I purchased these from Michael's. These were I think one of my subscribers was looking for these and she was asking me, so I'm gonna put this in this video for you, my love. You were asking me where I got these. I got these from Michael's. These were on sale for they were $2 on the tag, but 50% off. They have a 50% off sale, so these were only $1. So I got these for $1, and they are gonna be so cute. So go to Michael's and you can pick these up. I also picked up this pillow. Look at these they're actual ornaments, you guys. This is so adorable. Look at this. I got this. It's a pillow. It's like a little heart pillow ornament, and it's got like the little gold ornament thingy on the top. You see that? Like wait. Here, I'll do this. Okay, that's the top. And then look at the design. It's so cute, right? Like, look how cute this is. It's so adorable. Adorable pillow. It's so cute. I got this from Michael's as well. Next up is this ball I got from Michael's. This is another ornament I picked up. So cute, right? Super cute, you guys. I'm so excited. That's very, very cute. Look at that ornament. It's like a champagne gold. So, and it's got the gold glitter. And the glitter doesn't really bleed as much as like that candle. But this is really cute. I like this one. And these are something that I am so excited to share with you. These are angels. You can also buy these on Amazon, I think. I'll leave a link in the description area if they have any more. But these are black angels, you guys. How cute are these? And I made a point to say black because you don't usually see black angels. You really don't. And you know what else I love about these black angels? Is the fact that they got natural hair. Look, she got a little natural hair. Look. Ah! Look at her hair, you guys. Look. Okay, there we go. We can get 3 ladies in there. How cute are they? Aren't they just the cutest? They're so cute with their natural hair. I'm just like, yes, God, we are coming through. We are coming through. I love it. So anyway, I got these gold angels, and they're going to be so adorable, adorable, adorable to my collection this Christmas. And they just happen to be my colors. So yeah, yay. It's the first one from Hobby Lobby that I found. I found this first, and I put it in the cart, and I knew I was gonna be in that store for a while. Of course, if you don't know, I am like a sucker for anything that's like subtle French decor. I just feel like I could do so much with this. I could do so much. Even though red isn't my color for the season, I can definitely change this out, which I most likely will. How much was this horn? It was $9. $9. Lastly from Homegoods, you guys, is this cake plate. This one I thought was super cute. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't she cute? She's just adorable. Look at her. She's really heavy. Heavy cake plate. Look at that. Really, really beautiful, right? Beautiful piece. Beautiful. Look at the edges on that. So cute. You guys, super duper cute, right? Super cute and very heavy, super cool. It's not like the traditional, it's like hard metal. It's just really a beautiful, beautiful piece. They had 2, they had a bigger size, and then they also had this one. The bigger size was $50. You know, when you buy anything that's $50 at HomeGoods or any store, it just like takes up half your budget already. It's time to go. You know what I mean? But this one was $39, I think. I don't know. I think it was $39. Yep. $39. Just as much. So, but I like it. So, I can work with this. I can do a lot of things with this. It's so cute. It's just so elegant. It's just super duper elegant, you guys. I love it. Okay. And that is it. That is my haul. I hope I did entertain you with all the stuff that I bought. And just for the record, that's just only a piece of it, because way back there's like nowhere to walk. And it was just like I would be here forever doing like the complete haul because I like to surprise you guys. But thanks so much for watching, you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your colors and themes are going to be for your Christmas this year, and leave it in the comment section underneath this video because we can keep the conversation going over there. And if you like this video, do me a favor and share this video with your friends, and then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, you guys. Bye.